మళ్ళీ సౌండ్ రాలేదు.
President Bar Association Pakala, Sri Baba John.
اللهم لك الحمد حمدا كثيرا ولك الشكر شكرا جزيلا.
Prevented us from doing so, and since the inauguration of this building was long pending, therefore we decided to have it inaugurated.
Permanent court building to our Pakala and to the public to do justice to the public at the doorstep. I am very glad to extending our grateful thanks to the government and our protocol officer, Sri S. Srinu.
I thank the Principal District Judge for his brief welcome address. Now I request the Bar President
and our Lordship Judge High Court of AP Rao Raghurangan Garu, our Bar Council Chairman Bhargana Reddy Garu, our Principal District Judge Sri V. Bhima Rao Garu, and our Tirupati SP Subrayal Garu and Additional SP Admin వెంకట్రావు గారు.
సార్ క్లియర్గా వస్తుంది సార్.
లింక్ చేయండి.